Okay, love, so where are we today?
We're in Kusadasi.
What are we doing?
We are going ATK. First, we're going to check out the market, see around town, used to be a little fishing village. But now with the amount of cruise ships that come here and people vacationing, it's like developed quite a bit.
All right, so basically we're shopping, adventuring, and ATVing.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, the good news is I have a nice big Starbucks iced coffee. Bad news is we've exited the port and entered the land of demons and pain. We need your help. Crazy but true, we took this cute little shuttle to the quadding place, but we can't remember the name of the quadding place. If you've been there or you know of it, put it in the comments below. All right, let me show you what the quadding adventure is like. So obviously we opted for the side-by-side version instead of conventional quads. Nikki is our pilot today, and uh-oh, we're gonna lose something here. Jump out, go get it, jump back in. Yeah, not too much damage. All right, we're back on the road again. Nikki's tearing it up here in the sand dunes. In any case, these were kind of like your basic Chinese knockoff version of side-by-sides. Not amazing technology or anything like that, but so fun. We had such a great time. If you're having fun with us, remember to hit that like button and the subscribe button so that YouTube knows you want to see more of our adventures. You do get to drive along the beach. You don't get to actually drive them into the ocean, which would have been kind of fun to drop a wheel in there. But, you know, as you can see, there's a tour guide in front of us. You just kind of follow them around through the sand dunes. You're going to obviously get dirty, eat a lot of dirt, but that's part of quadding, right? And off-roading and that kind of stuff. It is so fun. Hey, if anybody's ever done anything like this, please drop a comment below. Have you done this? Have you done it somewhere else? We've done it in a number of places, and I have to say, this was really one of the more fun places that we've been. There weren't a whole ton of rules. They were all cool with the cameras, the drone, all that kind of fun stuff. They were all fine with that. So look, we've been to Kusadasi twice before. We've been to Ephesus. It is absolutely breathtakingly amazing. If you're only going for the first time or the only time, you absolutely have to go there and see that. But if you're up to your second time, this is a great activity, you know, something fun and different to do in another country. You should definitely take advantage of it. Let's go back to the ship and maybe some shopping. Okay, we are safely back here where we started it all, and boy was it good. Nikki is shopping again, so I'm gonna finish this up. That quadding was so fun, even though it was kind of like a junky side-by-side, but we had a great time. I hope you liked the video and that kind of stuff. Okay, we're moving on to the next store. So while we move on to the next store, click the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, don't talk to that guy, and we'll see you next time. Right here below me is a button which you could click to subscribe so that you always get our notifications. If you want to just watch another video real quick, right here below, this is a video that YouTube thinks you'll really like. And then right up here is a selection of videos from this European trip we just went on, so you could kind of continue the adventure there. In any case, keep commenting and watching, and we'll see you next time.